Good morning guys, day 3 in Kyrgyzstan. Yan po ang morning namin dito sa Royal Gate Hotel, York Hotel. Tayo ay mag-aagahan na. Sobrang lamig. Good morning guys! How are you today? How are you, Mr. Alisher?
Only two of them you say, right?
Why are you laughing, Miss Alma?
I'm very happy.
Alisher wants to tell you something because you know one of the visitor here
Guests complained about someone partying before the 4 a.m. Yeah. And I'm asking if some guys know, and Alma says,
First time niyang mga story.
yung flag nila same symbol dito sa taas. Alisher, same symbol ha?
yes,
Flag.
the center of the roof.
Morning guys! Pupunta tayo sa Ishikol Lake. Tatry natin mag-swimming. Pero sobrang lamig. Ito ang view natin dito sa ating hotel. Yan ang Ishikol Lake. Second largest lake. Almost 200 meters ang length. Then, sobrang haba talaga kahapon. Almost 2 hours kami nagdadrive dyan. Ito yung view natin sa kabilang side. Mababa lang yan, pare. Ito mga kumare kong matanda na kasi. Bababa na nga, may alalay pa. Itlog na pala, itlog na suso. Nandito na tayo guys sa Ishikol Lake. Second largest lake in the world.
Malamig.
Sabi ni Alisher, yung tour guide namin, almost 400 rivers daw ang nagpupuno ng lake na to. At salty lake ito kasi nga dahil sa minerals na galing sa bundok. Napakalinaw ng tubig. Grabe. Sobrang linaw. Pero parang di kayang maligo. Dahil napakalamig. Ang ano ngayon ay 13 sa taas eh. Siguro dito mga 15. Ito si pare ko eh. Ano to eh. Swimmer to sa Pinas.
Kani-kani yung damit mo.
Pero pag nailog muna kasi, problema kasi pare, wala pa rin araw.
Alam mo, mas malamig to kaysa yung sa ano tayo po, Jaira.
Para naka-live ka ba?
Hindi naman, ano lang.
Ah.
Video. Okay, pre.
Michael to. Excuse lang ha. Excuse.
Daan-daan yung pintas.
Malamig di ba? Tapos paano ka makakapag-swimming nito? Ah.
Go!
Napakalamig.
Pero hindi, pero pag nailublog mo yan.
Pag nailublog mo yan.
Oh, sige nga, Mare.
Eh kasi nga, bawal pa ako 1 month na kung hindi pwede pa sa ikana, no?
Pwede kayo mag-uwi tayo ng bato. Nakinis dapat.
Yan ba yun? Yung lola mo?
Yan guys, magbababad lang tayo ng paa. Hindi kayang maligo sa Ishikol Lake.
Teka lang. Ang lamig pero hindi pa ako ready. Teka lang ha. Lalabanan ko ito dyan. Hanggang dito lang tuloy ha. Hanggang dito lang tayo kasi.
Malalim na din, ibang kulay na.
Nilalamig sa kanila.
Hindi, parang gusto ko din.
Hindi ka na.
So hindi na po ganun ka-healthy ang ano, ang lake.
Yan guys, naghihilod na sila.
Naghihilod. Ay maganda to yung sa ano, yung sa bukong-bukong.
Ang sasakong yung mga maitin.
Ito na nga po. Pero ang sarap, ang
Han, diyan ka lang ha. Huwag kang maligo. Parang tara na!
wag. Mabababa.
Hello guys. Check out na tayo ngayon sa Yurt Hotel natin. Then, ang biyahe natin ay papunta sa Shashka Canyons. Then sa Chonkemin National Park, doon tayo mag horseback riding. Then overnight doon sa Chonkemin Hotel. Thank you Royal Gate, the best, maganda rito. Yan, Yurt Hotel, attached bathroom. Yan si Pare Koy. Okay guys, day 3 in Kyrgyzstan. We're now leaving Royal Gate, Yurt Hotel. Okay.
I haven't told them this. They did it by themselves.
Now we're going to Shashka Canyons.
Just a fairy tale.
Okay, at Fairy Tale Canyons. Then we're going to
there.
we're going to Chonkemin.
Leave your marks there.
Chonkemin National Park, and we're going to do horseback riding. Okay, nobody will ask again. Okay, enjoy guys. Eagle show, no? They're doing now eagle show.
Kaska Canyon. Kaska means fairy tale in Russian. There are a couple of routes here, I think. One leads there, so this is the shortest one, I think, but it's a little bit steep there. So if you are okay with going there, then you can climb there, because I need to launch the drone from the set.
Can't because we are in
So then maybe more like
yeah,
flat,
Yes.
the same view.
same views, yeah.
Let's go.
early lunch tayo guys.
Early lunch? No,
Late na ba? Late lunch na pala.
my food.
Yes. Dito na tayo sa car kumain para mamaya mga kabayo na lang tayo. Kasi si Tere, ano na siya, excited mga bayo.
Yeah.
Ayun, ready na ang kabayo sa kanya.
Kids are okay. Gold medalist. Gold medalist.
Airshell na bag, na item.
Andito na. Hello guys, nandito na tayo sa next hotel natin. Dito tayo sa Chon Kemin. Ito ang ating hotel for tonight and tomorrow. Tayo sa York Hotel na naman. Sobrang lamig. Whew.
Big jump. Big.
At ating hotel for tonight. Rockbat.
Adrian, we need to take off the shoe. Right there, yeah. Inside.
Mga baka guys. Kapitbahay namin dito sa York Hotel. Umuulan pa rin guys. Sobrang lamig. Dinner na daw. Kaya bababa na kami sa restaurant. Ito na ating mga kaibigan.
It's been raining.
Lamig na lamig.
Kaban lalamig. Grabe. Parang tayo lang ang tao dito. Ay, no.
Dito na tayo sa restaurant. Magde-dinner tayo guys.
Are we gonna play Uno?
Yeah.
May consequence. Alam niyo na kung
Can you put the jump please?
If you
this?
fail many times,
One more.
we will say balaguta, balaguta,
What does that mean?
balaguta.
Loser! Like that.
Okay. But it's in the car. I need to pick it. Yeah.
Sarap.
Maybe after or.
Kain na guys.
To see, it was very cold inside and even in the yurt. Outside it's very windy. That day was especially windy. Now it's a little bit, but they also were able to see the snow and everything. August is also very good about the fruits because everything you see, the watermelon, melon, apricots, it's like harvesting. They start this for fruits, for vegetables, everything.
Don't say your food. Matubog na rin tuloy ako.
We still have time. So
don't rush.
yeah, we can play Uno then finish it again.
True. Grabe yung watermelon.
Yan guys, tapos na kami kumain. Laro kami ng Uno, Kyrgyzstan Way. Okay, dyan po natin tatapusin yung araw natin. Nagpunta kami sa Fairy Tale Canyon. And then, dito kami sa Eno Complex sa what's the name of the Alacruz. Alacruz. Napakaganda dito. Sobrang lamig. Diba?
Yes.
Kaya hindi kami nakapag-horseback riding bukas. Hindi namin gagawin. Okay guys, see you. Thank you.
Bye! Bye!
Mr. Alisher.
No.
We're going to play Uno, guys. Uno after dinner.
Uno, I can say Uno!
Yeah. Then he will take another card again.
If he doesn't have Uno card,
You will be the one to take.
you need to take
Yeah. Like for example,
Way, giving cards to cards. No, 3. 2 plus 2, then 3.
4 if you want. Extra one. Paano pala kung meron ako?
Pwede plus 4 din natin.
I will revenge, I promise.
Tapos,
Isa pa rin.
Ito ba din?
you want help?
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.